Hello friends, my name is Shua Rushabh. I am from ICT department. Today our topic is frequency and wavelength. You know what is frequency and wavelength? What is frequency? Frequency is how many wave cycle happen in 1 second. Frequency measured in hertz. High frequency is equal to more wave per second. What is wavelength? Wavelength is the distance between two peaks measured in meters. Longer wavelength is equal to bigger distance between peaks. Relation between frequency and wavelength. Frequency and wavelength are connected. Wave speed is equal to frequency into wavelength. If frequency increase, wavelength becomes shorter. Applications used in radio and TV signals, used in mobile communication, used in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, used in medical imaging like X-ray. Conclusion: frequency and wavelength are basic wave properties. They They help us understand how signal travel, important in communication engineering. Thank you.